Hey everyone, my name is Shani. This is my very first tutorial, so I'm a little bit nervous. Basically on my channel, I'm going to start doing tutorials on cooking, and they're going to be island and Caribbean inspired. So today I really just cooked a meal. I'm going to show you what I use, but I'm not actually going to walk you through it. I'm going to do another tutorial that I have that on it. So this meal is Caribbean inspired a little bit. I have a red bean right here, what they would call like stew beans, Jamaican stew beans, but I did it kind of like Puerto Rican style. And then I have a curried turkey smoked wing right here. And then this is a white jasmine rice. So basically what I did was I just made a pot of stew beans, and to get apart from like the Jamaican side, I actually use a turkey leg in mine instead of what the traditional would be, maybe like a pork or something like that. Even Puerto Rican style would be like maybe smoked pork or you know, rendered fat, something like that. But I did a little bit healthier, and you can see a sprig of thyme in there and the turkey leg, and you can see that the broth is dark. Okay, and how I do that is I use garlic, so it's like half a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of adobo with pimento, and then I use one whole pack of sesame goya, and then the last 30 minutes before cooking I put in 2 tablespoons brown sugar, and then I also use fresh thyme, and I use olive oil and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. To do the curried turkey legs, what I do is I usually boil the smoked turkey for about 2.5 hours, just so that I can get it to tender. And then after that, I'll use one of the legs or one of the wings for my pot of stew beans, or I'll use 2. It just depends on the flavor that you want. And then I'll take out the rest that I boiled, and then I'll make the curry. And in the curry, basically I just use, you know, the traditional 1 potato, 1 carrot, thyme. I use the ground black pepper. I use Blue Mountain Country Jamaican curry powder. I love this brand right here. I also use Grace from time to time too. And then in the curry, I also use a teaspoon of thyme. I like ground thyme when I'm doing the curry. I'll put the fresh curry in it. And then I also use Italian seasoning in mine. Alrighty. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, this is my first tutorial. I'll be doing more, and they'll be more in depth. If you have any questions, just let me know. Please start subscribing to me so that I can get my thing on. Thank you.